Alright. I got to thinking about it. Let's go ahead and add a couple extra notes to this and the other ones. We're just going to add text that reads note mirror for front end. And that will mean that when you guys go to make your sides, we can add a quick note for that as well. So, new sheet. Let's put a base on. And what do we want to see? How about the left side? Quarter scale would work. I think half scale will also work. Yeah, half scale just fits. We'll do that. Oh, nope, take that back. We want to see the ends of this too. Let's go back to quarter scale. And let's make a quick projective view here. And make that shaded. Okay, annotate. We'll put a center mark here and along each of these spaces here. 1 and 2 and 3. We need a dimension up to show how high up each of these holes are. We need a hole and thread note to show how deep it goes in and what the diameter is. And another hole and thread note here with a note that reads right side lacks the 1/4 inch hole. Put your name on it. Alright, so we have the left side, the right side, the front and the back. Let's add a new sheet. We do need the bottom in there. And let's make that half size. There's nothing special about the bottom. Oh, yes there is. We'll have to make it 1/4 size again. This is shaded. Center marks on each of these. 3/4, 4 1/4, 7 3/4, 8 1/2, and 30 inches. We should probably also have the thickness of this. It's 5/8 inch thick. And a hole note. Add your name. Add the title. Let's go back and check sheet 4 real quick. I did not put in the thickness. Okay, on to sheet 6. I think the handle might be the only thing we have left. Nope, we also have the saw holder. Okay, let's open up the handle. And we'll have to go quarter scale. Let's dimension this from top to bottom here. Let's put that on the other one. I changed my mind. So that's 30 inches. This has a height of 1.5, width of 7/8. Put in our 2 center marks here. Up to the first one is a 1/2 inch. Second one is 1 inch. Numbers are running together, so we should probably fix that. Let's add in a quick fillet. Our radius is a 1/4 inch. Drag 7/8 onto the other side here. And we need a hole and thread note. There. Scoot that just a little bit closer. And this seems really small. Let's go with the 3rd scale instead. Half scale is going to be too big, right? Let's just double check. I think I'd rather it be half scale, but if we can't fit it, we can't fit it. Nope. Let's try a 3rd and see what that looks like. Third will fit. Put your name, handle, and we have one more sheet. Now let's save paper. We'll put one more thing on this sheet. Saw holder. Saw holder, we're going to show it a half scale. We'll move it up to here. Show it from the side as well. And also put a little isometric view. We're going to scoot this guy down. We're going to show where each of these things would start. And we're also going to show how thick just one of these would be. Move that to the other side. You have to hit escape first. Right click, go down to edit, text, and there's 3 of those. We'll put times 3. Make sure we put a center mark in there. Add a hole and thread note. I'd rather that be on, well, let's just move that one to the other side. Maybe. There we go. That way the numbers don't run into each other. And I think that'd be enough information to recreate this. These are two different scales though, so let's double click on this one and let's show visibility. For view, we're going to call this one the saw holder, and the scale is going to display. Oh, I missed it. I don't know what that was all about. I only wanted this to show. I don't like that it says view 17. We're going to delete that. This one, we're going to toggle on the scale of this as well, and this is the handle. Handle and saw holder, and this time it's not going to let us change the scale, is it? Well then. Nope, don't want that either. I suppose as long as we have it labeled up here, that should be okay. Let's save this. I think we are finished with this project. Oh, one more thing before we finish the project. So yes, we are going to save it. Thanks for editing a part or an assembly. I'll fix that in a second, but let's go up to print. When you go to print this time, you have to change how it prints. So you go into properties, and for paper, instead of letter, you want to select ledger. That's 11 by 17. Remember how we made this B-size paper? Now we're going to print it 1:1, and if we go to preview it, let's just make sure this is going to go horizontally, and all sheets. Now it should look good. Okay. Now we're done.